another thing. Requester asks for a particular kind of record, and you have to search through boxes to find that record. That's all search time. Search time includes somebody who makes a request for all the records on myself, and those records are intermixed with a bunch of other defendant records in a number of boxes. That's all search time, going through each box to find those records. If you have to inspect line by line a record to find out whether it's responsive or not, if you have to read it, is this a responsive record to what they asked for? If you have to go line by line, person asks for records that mention my name, and you have a huge case file, and you have to go through line by line to find that record, a record that might be mentioning his name. That's all search time. That's all good search time. Record that. Make sure you know how much time you're spending. Now, Chuck's question again, what is not search time? The main things that we do in processing records that do not qualify for search time are copying the records. Once you've found the responsive records, whatever that body of documents is, if you're going to copy them and send them to us, I can't charge for that. I'm sorry. And I can't charge for segregating the documents. You know, we talked about columns A and column B on the O10 form, and you know, what's attorney work product, we put it in that pile, and what's grand jury, we put it over here, and the public records. All that segregation, all the time that it takes you to count up how many pages that is, I can't charge for that. I can't charge for that at all. But the other things that we can charge for include review time. That's the time that it takes at FOIA, EOUSA FOIA staff, to process a record once we receive it from you. All those records, that's review time. And copying time, that is the charge that we make per page that is actually released to the requester. And the fees that we are enabled to charge, the rates that have been set by the Department of Justice, are up here in this top column. Clerical, the actual regulation talks about management time, clerical time, and professional time. But we have translated those terms to our purposes, and so we charge for attorney time, paralegal time, and clerical or other. And we'll look at that in a minute. Now, different kinds of requesters get charged different things and different amounts. So if you look at this column in the center on the left-hand side, we have different kinds of requesters. A commercial requester, they pay for everything. They pay for all the review time, all the search time, and every page that is released to them, 10 cents a page. Who's a commercial requester? A commercial requester is a company that is asking for records on another company. This is strictly business, folks, and that is charged full boat. They get everything. Now,